This beautiful cabin is only $79,000. This is the one we call the Big Bertha. All right, how's everybody doing today? Today I got my son with me. This is Cabin Cowboy Jr., OC Jr., and we're gonna be showing you, he's just gonna walk around and we're just gonna, show you guys the one we call the beautiful Carrot Top cabin. As you can see on the front here, he's standing on the porch, which is a 6 foot by 28 foot front porch. Beautiful, very large porch for the size of the cabin. The cabin itself is a 14 by 28, but the porch, as you can see here, is a 6 foot by 28 foot front porch. Okay, now one of the things we like to talk about here, go ahead, and show them, point up there and show them the hinges. See those hinges up there? See that? Those hinges allow you to fold the top of the porch down and the bottom of the porch up. There's hinges on the bottom too. So all these railings, like you see OC touching there, all these railings here, they're gonna get taken out and put inside the cabin. And that way we can go ahead and fold the top of the porch down and the bottom of the porch up for transportation. Everybody always asks, how do you ship those cabins with that big porch on it? Well, you don't. Again, the rails come out and the top of the porch folds down, the bottom of the porch folds up, and that is how we ship it all over the United States. So another thing let's talk about here is the chinking. Oh, show them what the chinking is over here. So the chinking, yep, point to it. Yeah, so that gray matter over there is called chinking. Okay, what that does is, tell them what it does, Oh.
In winter, it helps the hot air won't escape from the cabin and the cool air won't come in. And the opposite for summer, the cold air won't leave the cabin when you're running your AC and the hot air won't come in.
Perfect, thank you very much. So that explains it, right? So what that does, great job, Oh. What that does is it seals the cabin shut, again, like OC said, so when you're running your heating in the winter, that hot air doesn't get out and the cold air doesn't come in. And in the summertime, when you're running your AC, it keeps the cold air nice and chill inside and keeps the hot air out. So that's what that does. It will expand and contract with the wood. So it's pretty cool because, as you know, through the seasons, wood will expand and contract, and that chinking expands and contracts with it. Now, after time, the chinking will go ahead and wear down, so you want to go ahead and redo it, but that'll be every 2 to 3 years. Sometimes it can last as long as 4 or 5 years. Let's talk about these windows. These are double pane vinyl windows. Okay, they are easy clean windows as well, and they're great for the winter time because with them being double pane, right, that's what you need to keep that cold air out and keep it very well circulated. Okay, they're also easy clean windows, so you can open them up, get in there real easy and get them all nice and clean. Let's take them inside though and show them what we got on the inside. So when you go inside the cabin over here, the first thing you see are these beautiful Amish built, Amish crafted kitchen countertops and kitchen cabinets. You can actually see how shiny they are right on top, how smooth and shiny they are. Really, really nice product. And as you can see, you see all the dots on them. You know what that is. That's that knotty pine, y'all. See all the beautiful knotty pine floors? We got knotty pine everywhere, guys. So if you're looking for a rustic cabin, then this is the one. Again, the dimensions of this is a 14 by 28 livable space, which is just shy of
400 square foot.
That's right, just shy of 400 square foot, 392 square feet. Over here, you got a little barn door, and that's for where your bathroom's gonna go. Straight ahead, you can put a walk-in shower, you can put your sink and then your toilet over here. Over here in this corner, you got a spot for a little closet area. And then if you see over here, on top of that, we have a lofted area for extra storage. Okay, so again, where you see OC standing, we can also put a wall over here to where we can privatize this bedroom. This is a full-size bed. So if you want us to wall up the bedroom and privatize that, we can do that as well. Okay, so again, just a super cool cabin. This one has been very popular for people doing Airbnb, or they want to put a backyard bungalow or cottage in the back, or you just want a cabin in the woods just to get away for a hunting cabin. This one has been very, very popular. Again, this is the one we call the Carrot Top cabin. It is only $45,000 if you buy it just like it is, or if you buy it turnkey, it's $60,000 if you buy it turnkey. Thank you, Osi. So again, guys, if you like what you see, do me a favor, hit the like, hit the share, hit the follow button. We're gonna now go outside, and Osi and I are gonna go ahead and show you, we'll do a walk around one last time and show you the outside of the cabin. I like that cowboy hat. All right, so again, let me get you one good shot of the outside, and then we're gonna go ahead and stand in front of it, so they can see a reference of it, the size of it. So that's what it looks like here on the outside. And let's walk around this way and make a full walk around of it here. Again, it does have a 26 gauge metal roof, which is orange, which is why we call it the Carrot Top. Let me scoot back so you can see the roof. Now remember, guys, there's 20 different colors you can choose from on the metal. 20 different color metal roofs. And if you want different stain color, if you don't like this brown, you could tell us what stain color you want and we can make it happen, okay? So keep that in mind. Also with the white door in the front, a lot of people want to change the color of the door, black, brown, whatever color door you want to do.
Hello everyone. Today I want to show you guys our beautiful park model called the Rocky. Let's go inside and I'll show you this beautiful model. Alright, so as you guys walk in, you see the kitchen. It's a small kitchen, but it really has everything that you need. It has a mini fridge here, a 4-burner stove with a little oven. I don't know if this is a full-size oven, but I think it's a mini size. But your sink and a window right over the sink. Cabinets down below, and I think you can maybe upgrade the cabinets up here if you want to, but for right now, you know, we wanted to have this cute shelves, you know, to put any decoration, mugs, or anything that you have. And as you can see over here, we have this beautiful big window, make it very nice and airy. It's very bright in here, very welcoming. And over here, and you have a little storage up here on top of the fridge too, which is really nice and spacious. You can store a lot of stuff here. You can use it as your little pantry and the fridge. And I think they put down like a little, like a space for your spices or anything you want to store. And as you walk this way, you have the bathroom. It's nice and spacious for our remodel. It's a what do you call it? It's a
walk-in shower.
Walk-in shower.
Yep.
And we have the washer and dryer stackable up here, and again another storage up there, and more storage over here. As you turn in your medicine cabinet, I really like this. I like the accent colors and everything. And more storage over here to store your makeup, your whatever you have. And we have some drawers down here. These are really nice.
Got the slow close.
Slow close. That's important. And like if any cleaning supplies you can store down here. And then another beautiful window over here, make it again very nice and spacious. And actually a small, if you can get that small window again in the bathroom. We don't have this hooked to electricity or anything, but you can see how bright that is. And then right on this side, far end, we have the bedroom.
Yeah, and there is electricity in the unit. We just don't have it hooked up, obviously.
That's right.
We have 200 amp electric or 110, whichever you need. We can run that electric throughout the whole.
And we have the mini split head over here. It's a Bosch.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's one of the nicer ones, right? And
Yes, Bosch mini splits, and like she mentioned, you got your double pane Anderson windows, top of the line Anderson
Right,
windows.
so you can control it with the remote controller.
Yeah.
Put it right back in so you don't lose it.
You got your tongue and groove knotty pine ceiling, and we got that stained dark.
I want to talk about the ceiling that goes throughout the whole RV. It's gorgeous. What is it? You said it's tongue and groove.
Tongue and groove pine.
I like the accent colors.
Yep.
Oh, look at that up there.
Yep, wide open.
White open, so cool.
Again, guys, when you have a smaller space, you always want to go light walls, dark ceiling, dark floors, and big windows. That way it really opens up the whole home and makes it feel a lot larger than what it is. And one of the things that I wanted to touch on real quick is these walls, guys. I know it looks on film like it's drywall or sheetrock. It is not. Okay, this is birch plywood. Listen to this. You hear that? That's solid wood, guys. That's not sheetrock or drywall. And the reason the Amish use this product is, again, real wood quality. And when you ship these things down the road, you know what happens to drywall. It might warp, it might break. Well, birch plywood is not going to do that. This is solid wood. So these things are built solid, built to last, built by the Amish. Okay, so moving on, Nadia.
You can get that another head.
Yep, got another Bosch mini split over there. And again, you see the theme with the recessed lights up top.
Very cool.
Dark ceiling again. You got your second Bosch mini split. And then you got bedroom number 2.